Yeah, it's Ted with Quality Home Inspection. So today I just want to talk to you real quick about doing a thorough well evaluation. And so what we do is we do a visual inspection of your equipment. Then we're going to do a electrical test on your pump and switches, make sure they're working properly. From there, we're going to do a cycle time test that's going to tell us how quickly your well is recovering as we use your water. And then lastly, we're going to do a yield test to ensure that you're getting proper amounts of water for you and your family daily. You know, we've had many conversations with Delaware realtors, and we've been told that post-closing equipment has failed, wells have run dry because Delaware inspectors do not do this type of inspection. In addition, just to let you know that on average to make any well repair, it's about $2,000 to $3,000. I'll give you a perfect example here. So this pressure tank is about $3,000 to have it replaced. You know, a new well, if it runs dry and has to be drilled, can be $10,000 or more. Just to give you, just some information on that. You know, the other thing, we will give you a well warranty that covers you for 6 months on all your components, and it will pay for a whole new well to be drilled and installed if it runs dry. You do have the option and the ability to purchase the 1-year warranty through the company. And, again, it will cover you on all your components and a new well to be drilled. If you have any questions, how we handle the inspection, the well warranty process, or would like to schedule an appointment, feel free to give us a call, 302-883-8797, or you can catch us on the internet at inspectdelaware.com. Thanks for watching.